Hey folks, Dan Lawson here with AB Homes, local new construction company specializing in building custom homes in the rural parts of Virginia. Today we're going to talk about some of our most popular floor plans and what it is that makes them special to some of our buyers. So out of all the floor plans that we offer as far as base floor plans go, I think the Augusta has by far been the most popular model. The Augusta outsells everything else about 3 to 1. I think that one of the reasons that the Augusta is so popular is the flexibility of the home. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a little over 2,400 square feet. The price per square foot is the best one as far as value goes for the cost of building. So one of our newest floor plans is the Mayfield model. We are super excited about this house. We haven't built it yet. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, around 2,342 square feet. One of the cool things about this house is it's gonna have vaulted ceilings in the main living area and into the kitchen area. None of the AB Homes plans we have vaulted ceilings. It's gonna be a really cool house. So one of my favorite homes personally was the Branton model. Starts out as 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,366 square foot, single floor, nice wide open floor plan, has an office, really nice size primary bedroom. One of the best things about the Branton is the primary bedroom and bathroom area. For those of you who haven't had a chance to view it, it is fantastic. For those of you out there that are looking for a builder, one of the things that we get so many accolades is the quality of the construction from AB Homes. AB Homes doesn't use builder grade anything when they're building the homes. They always use upgraded materials and the fit and finish is superb. So if you come to us and you want to build your dream home, chances are we already have a lot in our inventory. So it's just a matter of matching you up with a house plan, making the modifications to make it yours, and matching up with a piece of land that we already have. We put the package together. You don't need a construction loan, you just have to qualify for a regular loan. So if you want to learn more, click the link in the description below. We'll get back in touch with you. We'd love to talk to you about building your new home in the new year.